Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be unboxing the Blink Mini. You can get this on Amazon for about $35. I'll link up in the description. But anyways, we're just gonna unbox it real quick. 2 days ago was my birthday and my cousin got me this amazing unboxing knife with my name channel engraved in it. So we're just going to be using that for unboxing videos, which is pretty cool. Alright, so let's get into this. Obviously you don't want to cut towards yourself, but I've been handling knives for a while, so it doesn't matter. So here's the product. As you can see, Blink Mini. It has a day and night mode, 1080p, two-way audio, motion detection, works with Amazon Alexa. It has a cloud storage, and then you can also choose between those two. Local storage as well. I'm using cloud storage, so I'm going to do that. And then it has an indoor plug-in HD security camera, and it has night vision, obviously. And the same things on this side. Let's get into it. So nice and protection right here. Shows you how to get started. There's the Blink camera. This is mainly for like offices and stuff. It has 360 degree, so it can move around anywhere, and you can angle it. Here is where the speaker is, and then the microphone is on the front, I believe. We have a charging port right here. This has to be plugged in, I believe, the entire time. So this is the cable, micro USB. Has a pretty big shell right here, and then you also have, I believe, instructions. It's very small, good for saving paper. You have an AC adapter or USB port right here, pretty small. It is at 5 watts AC adapter, 5 volts. And then you have mounting screws. So if you want to mount it on a wall, which I'm not going to do, we're just going to put it on a desk, I believe. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. I think that's all that comes in the box. Yep, that's all that comes in the box. Put it aside. So yeah, you basically just plug it in like so. And then you plug this in the back. Now this is going to go in a different office. It's not going to go in my room, but I'm going to get another one for my room. Maybe like 1 or 2, because I